Hi, my name is Dan Nago. I am a computer scientist and also an English teacher. Welcome back to my English podcast. Life is too short to worry about things that don't matter. If you are feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, or discouraged by something in your life, stop for a minute. There are many people who have it much worse than you do. Take the time to think about what really matters in life and put your energy into those things instead of wasting it on negativity. Number 1. What you can't control. It's important to recognize what you can't control in life, and there are many things that fall into that category. It might be hard at first, but once you are able to keep your focus on what you can control, your life will become much more manageable. You'll start to feel better about yourself and become happier overall because you've eliminated much unnecessary stress from your life. Number 2. What other people think about you. The worst thing you can do is trying to please everyone in your life. It can be a waste of time if you are trying to change how people think about you. There will always be those who disagree with what you say or believe. You'll never have the approval of every person around you, so avoid all that pointless endeavor by focusing on yourself instead. Number 3. The past or the future. It can be easy to get bogged down by the past or worry about what will happen in a year. That's why it's good to focus on what you can control in the present. See, your actions and how you choose to react will impact how well things will turn out in the future. So, when you are faced with a difficult or stressful situation, focus on making the best out of your present and be mindful of your thoughts as they have the power to affect how you feel daily. Number 4. Your failure. It sucks and failure will happen, but there are two ways to look at things. Either you fail and stay a failure for the rest of your life, or you learn from the experience. I think we all have moments when we fail in life or business, but that doesn't mean it isn't worth trying once more. It just means that we should be better prepared for a redo. Number 5. Your body shape. This is especially hard for most women. You spend so much time trying to be perfect that you forget what made you unique and wonderful in the first place. Your imperfections make you who you are, and you should embrace them. It's easy to get caught up in living your life through social media, where you see everyone else living their life to the fullest. But at least once every day, try looking at yourself without any filters or appearance-enhancing tools on your phone and appreciate how amazing you are. This way, you'll be able to accept your true self and feel more confident about your own beauty. I hope that you learned something new today. My goal is to help you gain more useful knowledge every day while improving your English considerably. Don't forget to sub for more awesome videos every week. Share this video with your friends and families so that they can benefit from this information as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.